Hi guys, welcome to another KamicarzCreations video. Just want to run you through the process of setting the boot up. I've carpeted out, it's just a Bunnings marine carpet, and I've used a marine ply underneath as the baseboard, and I'll run you through the process. I've started fitting out the boot. Levelling out the floor is my main mission at this stage. I've used 12mm marine ply because she still does get a little bit of water in there, and you'll see over in the corner there I started with a base template cut out of foam to get the general shape to cut into that side, and then I've just massaged it as I've gone. I measured the length from the gunnel here up to the back of where that hump starts was my first base length that I took, and I'm working my way across to the other side. Planning on putting my spare wheel back in the hole, so I'll cut that hole back out and sit the spare wheel back in the place where it's supposed to go. So that's the starters, guys. Getting the boot done. Not sure what other people have done, but this is working for me, and that template is definitely a must. So I've got the baseboard done, I've got the wheel back in position, and the surface is nice and flat. So I'll just sit the tank in and let you have a look. So with the ProFlow 57 litre tank in there, still a fair bit of room because we're not going away a lot, but there's still a fair bit of storage in there. I'm going to get a friend of mine who's an upholsterer to make up a wheel cover, just some black vinyl or something like that to go over that and tidy it up a bit. And I've got the carpet here now, so I'll run the carpet in and have a look. Starting to cut the carpet in. I basically cut out an oversized shape just with some scissors, and now I'm going around with a Stanley knife and cutting it into the edges. I've got to get up around the top there, and over this size it's still a bit oversized and needs to be cut in. It's cut in nicely in around down there. Here we go, the fuel cell is in, carpeted up nicely, all trimmed in, wheel sitting back where it should sit, all the jack and bracing and things like that will go up in behind there, cut in nicely. The carpet is just a Bunnings carpet, but there's plenty of space in there for luggage. My red electric fuel pump is coming this week. I think I can pick it up tomorrow, and then I'm ready basically to fit the fuel pump up and run the lines. So I'll post another video when I've done that. If you like what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe and hit that little thumbs up down the bottom. Like the video and subscribe.